To enable or disable customized ads and direct marketing in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accounts and Backup. Tap Accounts. Select Samsung account you want. Tap Privacy. Tap Customization Service. Scroll down. Tap Customized Ads and Direct Marketing, switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.